Okay guys, I'm going to show you some sticky keys on this MacBook. Like this one I just cleaned, but look at this. Stuck. Another one a little bit stuck. So a few of these are stuck. Very stuck. Look at that. Doesn't even go down. Another one really stuck. So what I do is I pop them out. Sorry, the camera moving. So I'll do this corner and then this corner. Pop each side and then it comes right up. And usually you want to clean the edges. Make sure the edges are clean. I'm using this just to go around the edges. Next, same thing. Every side. Remove any glue or any juice, anything that's stuck on the side. And then I also, on the inside, I remove a little bit of glue that may be sitting right there. You see that? Right there. Look at that little bit of glue. If it's not glue, it's sugar, whatever got in there. So you clean all of that. That's the area that these little things sit in and rub in. So any little thing, these keys are very sensitive. Any little thing will stop them from functioning properly. So clean all of that. See, I got more right here. Yep. That is the reason. So I cleaned that. Now I'm also going to clean the top of this. See that little bit of glue right there? Or I keep saying glue, but it's probably sugar. Probably had a little bit of spill that caused that. So I got that cleaned. Now I'm going to go around the edges. Make sure that's clean too. Look at that. Any little thing, you want to get it out of there. Remove anything that may be getting your keys stuck. And then the next thing I do is I pry these up a little bit, just a tiny bit, just to get them back to a good spring. Because when you press it so many times with time, they start getting down. So, okay, that is done. Now I'm going to put it back the same way. So basically you get the bottom to sit properly. Once the bottom is sitting properly, then you just click the corner. Click, click. Look at that. Now I got a nice little key. Works beautifully. Just like the other one. See? Beautiful. That's how you do. So do as many times. Feel free to put some WD-40 in there if you need to. You know, a little bit of, just to oil it up. Not enough to go all the way down to the bottom. And that's it.